Now it's time to board this airplane.
Yeah, you're right.
Come on, bro, or the other passengers will sit on your seat. I remembered that the pilot said, that's what the announcer said.
Yeah, but in the first time you said it was a pilot, but it is an announcer.
Sorry, bro.
We are going to Melon City in this airplane.
Yeah, we are going to Melon City.
We are also going to Melon City.
So what are we gonna do in this airplane?
I don't know what are we going to do in the airplane.
Dear passengers, we are about to take off. Please fasten your seat belts.
The pilot announced that we are about to take off and they told us to fasten our seatbelts. We are now taking off.